Wahoo! Woohoo! We got ourselves a new motorcycle, boys. We got ourselves a new motorcycle, boys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. People, just do your oil yourselves. It's crazy. I have no direction. I have no idea where I'm going, what I'm doing. Nothing. I just kind of got on the bike and decided to get on and ride around. Rub-a-dub-dub. Guys, the wind is so much better on this freaking motorcycle. It's insane. Coming from a Tuono over to this thing, which I know obviously the windscreen has a lot to do with that, but this is incredible, man. This is just incredible. It's so light too. Was that? It's crazy. Okay, so I came from a Ninja 500. That was my first bike, and then I had a Tuono 660, which is the naked version of this bike itself. How well you're able to lean off of this thing is just incredible, dude. It's genuinely incredible. I'm honestly mind blown at this point. You know, obviously Ninja, I didn't push much, didn't need to push it much at all. The Tuono was a naked bike, so it was, you know, you're sitting up here basically, which is cool, I guess, if you're into that kind of thing. I had to get rid of the Tuono, guys. I liked the more aggressive riding position that this offered. I liked the mirrors. The mirrors were a big component to why I got rid of it. Like I was saying, the riding position runs hand in hand with the mirrors, and the mirrors being in line with the handlebars, I'm having to do this just to see around me. With the RS, I'm leaned forward, so the mirrors are more forward, which means that I literally I don't have to move my head at all. I'm glancing, and I can see my mirrors, and it's phenomenal. It's so nice. Plus, this is a 26, so the computer's been updated. Couple of things that are better than the 23 Tuono. And then, you know, of course, just having an actual full fairing motorcycle, it's so nice. And I don't know if you guys can see it. We'll hop off the bike here in a second, but I've got winglets on this thing, dude. I've got winglets on this thing, dude. Ah! That's what I like. That's my favorite part of this thing. That's genuinely my favorite part is the winglets. I don't know why. I never thought they were cool before, and then I saw it, and I was like, oh my god, that's insane. Oh man, I'm just so happy. I'm so happy I have this bike. It's so nice. Genuinely so nice. It gets up and goes too. Is another thing that I've noticed is, like, you roll on the throttle and you go, man. You know, you absolutely get to, when you get on it, man, it wants to go, which is nice in some circumstances, but it's dangerous in others, because if you're not ready for that, you know what I mean? If you don't want it to go at a certain point in time, then you're gonna be in for a rude awakening. It's gonna continue to blow my mind until it can't anymore. That the wind is just going around me. That's what it's doing. It's going around me. I'm also trying my best to not get on it right now because I don't have the registration for this bike. I bought it 2 days ago, and so I don't have the registration, so I'm trying to not bring attention to myself, so that way I don't have to deal with the cop and them asking, oh, where's your registration, and why is the bike not, it doesn't have the sticker on it, and yada yada. So I'm just, once I you know, of course, get everything sorted. I also don't have insurance on it because I haven't called my insurance yet. So that's a thing. Finding neutral on it is so easy as well. I don't think I'm gonna stay out for too long. I don't have long sleeve on, and I'm very susceptible to getting sunburnt, so I'm gonna try to wrap this up fairly quickly. I have knockoff stealth mirrors that I was thinking about putting on this thing, but they were $80 for the pair. But I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I kind of dig the stock mirrors. I kind of dig it, like, a lot. I was reading too that the stealth mirrors, they look cool, but their functionality on it, like, it's a thin mirror, you know, it's only this thin or so. So it's like, do I really want to do that, or do I not want to do that? You know, do I care more about the functionality of the mirror, or do I care about the look of the mirror? Right? That's kind of where I'm at with everything. I do enjoy how large these are, but at the same time, they kind of give that bug eye look a little bit that the Tuono had. And I don't know how I feel about it, quite frankly. This thing's very steady too. And what I mean by steady, like, it's level. You know what I mean? I don't even know if that makes sense halfway in the slightest, but yeah, we'll go in here real quick. I want to show you guys my winglets, man. I'm taking a step off the bike. Look at it! Look at it! Ah! There's my winglets. It's so cool, dude. It's so cool. I love it. So it's a 26, like I was saying. It's a 26 with, it had 1,100 miles on it. So it's just over the break-in period. So I'm not having to break it in. But some of the things that came with the bike was the upgraded windscreen, as well as these tank grips and a tail tidy. All of those came with the bike, and so I was like, yeah, absolutely, because the only thing really that I was gonna do was all three of those plus swap out the exhaust. I'm wanting to put a CRT, an SC Project CRT exhaust. I think that's gonna sound and look really nice. So that's the plan. And then, of course, having niceties, right, is the mirrors itself. And then, you know, yeah, we could swap out the grips and everything, but in my opinion, these are plenty. So I don't think we're going to be doing any grip swapping today, or not today, but for and on this bike. I don't think it's going to be necessary, quite frankly. And then because I live in Texas, we're going to be putting a radiator guard on it as well, because y'all can see the road. Looks great. So, and then you have a bunch of these big old things right here on the left hand side of your screen right here, 18-wheelers that really just chalk up the road. So we're going to be getting a radiator guard. I think those are you know, also 50 to 70 bucks only. So, hey, nice Porsche 911 Cayman. Very nice, very nice. Very cool. That dude was cool. W. Pinsky. Oh man, it's just so nice, dude. It's so nice being able to just hop on a bike and ride around with no care in the world, dude. It's beautiful. It's so lovely. Oh my god, dude. That thing is never that full. All this rain we got, dude. That's crazy. Oh, that's another thing that I wanted to talk about too. And out there in Uvalde, man, they had over 30 inches of rain hit their they had over 30 inches of rain, dude. The highway getting between the towns or cities out there, man, completely flooded. I don't know if you guys saw the news or whatever, but Highway 90 going between like Castroville and Uvalde, all three of those cities that are right there just flooded out, bro. Straight flooded out. It's sad, man. My sister-in-law's family lives out there. Luckily their house was okay, but just the fact that, you know, they had all that happen, dude, was really scary stuff. Thankfully, like I said, everyone's okay, and you know, nothing happened, and everyone's good. But man, it's just scary, dude. That was the second highest, I believe, that the river has been up since oh, I forgot when they said it was. That's a deer, bruh. Even though it's a doe. I think what we'll do is we'll hop on the highway here, kind of get one little pull in. We're not gonna do anything crazy because, like I said, I ain't trying to draw attention to myself. I've already paid the price for that. What are these roads, bruh? Hey, buddy, you're not supposed to be riding on that spare tire there, bud. What are you doing there, bud? I don't know if you guys know that or not. The spare tire is not for you to ride on. It is for you to get to a tire shop so that way you can swap out the tire that is no longer able to support the weight of your vehicle. If you guys didn't know that, now you do. They are doing it wrong. So many holes in this freaking road, bro. And in this bridge at the very end of it, you gotta damn near stand up. Look at that shit, dude. It's crazy. In this area has got holes as well. I think, yep, there they are. You don't think about them when you're in a vehicle. When you're on a motorcycle, it's a little different. It's a lot different because if you hit them things, bro, you can go flying. Oh, they're on the move now. We just saw those. See, it did not feel like we were going 80 miles an hour right there. It does not feel like we're doing 85 almost. That's just insane. literally standing almost straight up on my bike, doing 100 miles an hour. And I never would have told you we were doing 100. It's crazy what windscreens do. It's crazy what windscreens do, bro. Well, ladies and gents, that's gonna do it. That's gonna do it for me. If you guys did enjoy today's video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you guys are brand new. Let me know down below, what do you guys ride? What are you guys looking forward to riding? If you guys are getting into the riding season this year, what are you looking forward to the most? And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day or evening, whatever time you are watching this video, and we'll catch you all in the next one.